this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today we are going to attempt to do a Louis Vuitton manicure. The items I am going to use I bought from brcnails, Brandy Ortiz. Look her up on YouTube and other forms of social media. Here is her card. She's got YouTube, Instagram, brcnails1, gmail.com. Her Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/brcnailstips. There's an excellent pieces. Let me show you what I bought. Let me put this here. She sent this really cute card. And I've had this for a while. She thanks me for supporting her, and feel free to tag her in the stories and posts that I make, so she knows that I will. First, there's some little itty bitty little pearls. I think those are so sweet. We have got some foil. Look how cool that is. Oh, it's tripping out on the camera. Cannot wait to use that. I'm gonna sift through over here. These are blue and black. These are, I'm gonna say Chanel. We got the blue, we got the black. So we'll be doing more than one manicure with those. We have got a different Chanel. These would be like a Halloween. They got like the drip and blood, which I think is really super cool. Last but not least, these are Louis Vuitton. I don't know if you can see it shifts. It's got some of the dripping blood back here. It's got the CCs with the dripping blood off it. We got a row of flames there, and then the Louis Vuitton here. Super, super cute. So check out Brandy's Etsy shop. You can find a lot of great deals there on a lot of great items. So I thank her for having her store. Again, etsy.com/shop/brcnails tips X pieces. Check her out. Let me put, oh, that's not everything. I'm forgetting one item. One item. These here, this is what I'm using today, which are the white Louis Vuitton decals, stickers. This is a little album thing. They come in. Here are their stickers themselves. So I'm going to be using those today. I don't know if you can see the spots where two are missing. I've already, oh, one up there too. I've already played with these on one nail, which you'll see momentarily. So, here's my set of black stiletto nails. You can see here on the one nail what I have done so far. I think that just really sparkles and shines. So this is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. We're getting in Louis Vuitton. What size did I use? Well, you get the same size that I used on the other nail, of course. And you have to be very careful. These are really delicate. I feel they're delicate. And they are stickers. I think I said that before. Let me see this nail. And how far down I go. Rub, 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 like a baby in a tub. We're going to get one of the Louis Vuittons. That's just the initials. This one actually says. I'm not trying to be out of frame, just trying to get the sticker off the backing here. Rub that on the nail. I think that is super, super cute. Also, I'm going to take this design right here. Right here, right here. On it. Don't move, don't move. Everything's moving on me. Alright, not get everything to move. So here we go. I tried to match it up as best as I could. So we got that there. What to do with the middle nail? What to do, what to do? I don't want it to be exact. Guess I could put the large Louis Vuitton. Oh boy. I need to brace my hand. Oh, I got it, I got it, I got it. I didn't think I was gonna get it. Let me see, where do I want this? Right in the middle, kinda. Right there. What do you think? I think those are super cute. I'm going to put some bling. I'm using Untitled Beauty's top coat. I love it because it's really thick and shiny. Get my wax picker upper. Wipe one side of your brush off really well. You don't want like super sloppy on the nail. Seal your manicure in. I think this turned out really nice. Really nice. So, I'm gonna pour me some bling out on the table, desk. And I'm gonna put me some bling on. As long as they don't slide about the nail. Alright, alright. What am I doing? I want to try to match it up the best that I can to the other nail I did. Oops. And one on the tip. Oh, shoot. So I am going to, make sure this is where it's supposed to be. Pop this in the lamp. Give that a cure. What to do, what to do, what to do. I think this is really, really beautiful. I sat there and I pondered when I opened these. Not originally opened them, but when I was messing with them earlier tonight. Okay, what am I going to do with these? I was having like such a creator's block, I guess you might call it. But I couldn't figure out what to do. And now I'm kind of feeling that way again. So I'm doing this one a little bit different. Just a little bit different. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Oops, I knocked all those over. Let's stick this one in the lamp, pull the first one out. Beautiful. How does it look to you right now? I think it looks really pretty. So now what to do on the ring and thumb. I'm not putting no stickers on these. Want to make these a little bit different. Don't know what to do with these. So I guess I'm just going to randomly place some. I've got nothing in my head's coming to me. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. I don't know. Not sure how this is gonna look. In my mind, there's no rhyme or reason. And let's move on to the thumbnail. Make sure you coat your sides real well, not just the top, you get your sides. Tip to cuticle, tip to cuticle, cuticle to tip. So, I guess we're just randomly placing them on the nail. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Forgot to silence the phone. I forgot. Don't hate me. And one last one. Down here at the tip. I don't remember which one I put in first. So, I believe that goes here. We're going to leave the other two in the lamp just to finish those up, and we will be right back. Our back and fresh out of the lamp. Here is our finished manicure. This is my first ever Louis Vuitton manicure. I think this came out really cute. I really like it. As you can see, I did, something different, a little bit different on the nails. These two are the same. This one can stand on its own. And we got our two nails of bling. I think it turned out real cute. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I think it's really blingy, shiny, catches the eye. Well, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Don't forget, we still have a few girls that are in need of watch time. We've got Tammy's Manis. Check her out. Her link is in the description box. As well as Viola Brown, Nail Cover Lover. Karina's Nail Designs. Nails by Johna. Let's see who else out there I can think of at the moment. That's all I can think of. I know there's more girls than that, but check out the description box. There's, you know, some links to their playlists. Give them a whirl. Pop one of mine on even and, you know, take a gander. Well, that's all for today. Until next time, have a blessed day and thank you.